Hello, my friend. Stephanie Bernard, the Stamps of Life, and I am so excited to share this release with you because it pretty much knocks my socks off. So I'm hoping it knocks your socks off as well. The first one I want to share with you is very close to my personal life here. It's the mini Nativity. So I wanted to update our current Nativity. This is a newer version and it's completely different from our old one. And it says, for unto us a child is born, joy, then you could say to the world, peace, love, joy, glory to God, Christ is born, Jesus is the reason for the season, oh holy night. And it has our cute little angel and our baby Jesus and Mary and Joseph. Yes, there are dies that match. Boom, there they are, right? Now, but they need a place to be, right? They need like a manger or something. Well, guess what, my friends? We have a fold-it that is a manger. Now, let me just share with you this fun thing that, before I show you all the other things, this fun kit that Michelle made. Now, she made them just little cute little strips of cardstock folded into a square, and she made it so it literally can be movable, so little kids could play with it. They can stand them up, they can move them around. You could have a platform or not, they don't even need a platform, but look, they could move around. So little kids, imagine making these for little kids in your life. How fun. They could have a little manger scene. I absolutely love it. Look how cute it is. I absolutely love it. And it's simply just little pieces of cardstock folded really strong into squares to hold them up just like that. I absolutely adore it. So that's really fun. But now you can see the cute little manger folded part and then our angel up here at the top, just using acetate right there. Isn't that awesome? Okay, there's more samples, don't worry. Now we're gonna move on. And we need to do a little bit more of our fall because we haven't gotten all of our fall in yet. And here we have a gorgeous leaf folded. Now this leaf folded itself has 1, 2, 3 dies just on the inside. So you can make shaker cards. And I just threw in 2 extra little leaves because why not, right? Lots of samples, don't worry. Speaking of sample, look how cute this stuffy is that Michelle made. And you can take it off, and she even made it a little clip. So I could literally clip that onto something if I wanted to. Look how cute that little stuffy is. But she also made it so it could go on this little stick, which is so fun. Absolutely love that. Cute little stuffy. Now, we're gonna look at more of those, but I have 2 more items to share with you, a stamp and die set. If you're anything like me, I am really getting into coloring. I mean, really, with my aqua pencils, or my tricolor pens, having a blast. So I needed some mandalas to actually color, right? So here we have these gorgeous pieces. Some of these are separate. So this circle here is separate from this outside piece. This inside piece is separate. This piece is separate. And then of course there are dies that match. Now, imagine the fun you're gonna have coloring these, or even just watercoloring these. Well, I have lots of samples. Let's jump in right now. Let's first look at our Nativity. Here's a cute one on a stand-up. For unto us a child is born, joy to the world. Gorgeous. Here is one using the manger scene on, or the Nativity folded, on a card itself. Christ is born. So beautiful. Look how gorgeous this one is. Oh, it's even a shaker. Look at those angels are singing. Baby Jesus is down there. Absolutely love it. Love the little shaker. Love, love, love. Or you could do more angels. Look how fun this one is. Love that. Look at the manger, the nativity scene. You're going to be able to have a lot of fun with that because you can leave it one color or you can make it lots of colors. So the choice is yours, right? Depending on how much time you have. Or you could make it look more like a shadow nativity. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that beautiful? It's like the shadow version. Oh, and this one even stands up. Look, she even made that one stand up. Isn't that beautiful? Perfect for display, right? Here, oh my goodness, Sheila, look at this one. The most simple sometimes is all you need, right? Isn't that beautiful? For unto us a child is born. Love it. Jesus is the reason for the season. Look at this one. Look how cute this one is. Beautiful, fold it. Love it. Glory to God. Or you could make a banner. You know how much I love my banners. I love banners. I also love my fold-its because I put magnets on the back for the babies to play with them up on the refrigerator. But look at that. Oh, holy night. So gorgeous. Now let's jump into fall, okay? Little kind of U-turn here, right? Look at this gorgeous happy fall. Happy fall, because we certainly don't want to forget fall, right? I'm grateful for you, or Thanksgiving. Look how gorgeous. You could also use, doesn't even have to be fall. It could be just every day, right? Thankful for you. Beautiful. Here's a fun, just a little fall tag with using that, the little tiny leaf that goes in there. Look at this one, you guys. Is that gorgeous or what? Isn't that beautiful with those little extra leaves on there? Open it up, write your message, or put it on a bigger card. Whoops, this one's upside down. Or put it on a bigger card. Look at how beautiful, using the ink blending. So fun to use those ink brushes and our inks and blend them to make those beautiful leaves. Now the fun thing about this leaf is it has the cutout lines, so it adds even more detail to that leaf. Here's a beautiful one, more of a monochrome look. Enjoy today with a shaker in the back. You gotta love those shakers. Oh, and there's even leaf pieces in there. Look at that. See that green one? Watch. It's gonna disappear. Oh, it's in the shaker. Isn't that fun? Love it. Or here's another gorgeous one. So many. Fall colors are just so, so pretty. Look how gorgeous that is. Fall. Always take the scenic route. Love that. Now this is also using the skinny mini alphabet. Just a heads up on that. Now, let's look at our mandalas, because you're gonna fall in love as much as I did. First, you could do them just in colored ink and not color them at all. Okay, so those of you that are afraid to color, do it this way, right? You can still die cut them, color, use our gorgeous ink pads, ink them up, stamp them, and you're good to go, right? Absolutely, positively good to go. Or you could stamp them just in single color, just like that, and make it look beautiful like that, right? Or you could do a background. You could blend a background and then add dark ink on top. Right? Okay, so far, I haven't even talked about coloring yet. And so far, we already have 3 different options on how to do this. We haven't even talked about coloring yet. So then you can now add coloring. Oops, I got 2 on here. So here we go. Here's one. Absolutely beautiful. Look how gorgeous this is. We can open this one up. She used it. Who made this one? Cheryl made this one. Look at how beautiful that is. Sending you birthday wishes. With our, this is the, I want to make sure I say the right card, flower fold over. She put the mandala on top. Isn't that gorgeous? Just put it on top of that flower. I love it. I love it. Here's a gorgeous one. Look at this one. All colored in, ready to go. Beautiful. Here's another one. Make it look like a rainbow. Isn't it beautiful? Love it with that fun sun. And here's one, another one. No coloring involved. No coloring involved. Just add some pretty gems on the inside and just stamp them in black, which is really pretty. And here's another fun one using 2 different techniques for coloring. One, this is colored. And then on these panels, it's on cardstock that has been inked and then just stamped in one color. Isn't that stunning? Absolutely stunning. This is on one of our new peekaboo cards. Look how gorgeous that is. Love it. Love it. Absolutely love it. Club members, of course, you're getting the club discount on all of these products. If you're not in the club, you're so missing out. You could be a club member for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically each month, shipping included, $13.99, and a 15% discount off of our entire website. No exclusions, not even one exclusion, no exclusions. And you would earn club points. And if you stay in a full year, you get a $15 gift certificate to our website just for being in the club. But look at all the wonderful things you could get on an extra discount. Usually brand new items are on flash sale on our website. The first 24 hours they're on our website. So make sure you go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. You could get the flash sale price, and if you're a club member, you get the club price, so you're paying even less. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.